naririnig ko in my mind and in my heart is that she was reacting precisely because ang daming nag-unfollow sa kanya. This was my impression. Ito yung unang-una kong impression na nakuha sa kanya because she appeared desperate. She appeared to be begging. She was asking for understanding kasi hindi daw maganda yung pagkakasabi, hindi daw maganda yung pagka-draft ng kanyang sinasabi. Maybe, pero mali. Kasi unang-una, totoo yun, ginamit niya ang wika ng prosecution. Pero she used it as though it was an established fact. Diba? Ano-ano yung mga yun? When a man's record is one of defiance. Ano pa? When his legacy is marked by thousands of deaths without trial. Take note ha, sinabi niya dun sa kanyang apology na accused. In other words, binabago niya, hindi niya inaamin yung totoo niyang sinabi. Sabi niya, nung siya ay nasa Malacanang, marami ang nakulong ng walang pagkakataong magpaliwanag. Due process that he himself denied to others. So, ang daming nagsasabi, wag na, binlock na nila, hindi na nila pakikinggan, hindi na nila that's it. So, sabi ni Che, it sounds judgmental to me. It is, as a matter of fact. She cannot claim na this was simply an opinion that she begs for our understanding. Panindigan mo, girl, kung yan talaga ang iyong opinion, hayaan mo kami sa amin.